What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the stickers for free and very easy using the Canva. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool here I'm using is the Canva, and don't worry because Canva also accessible or very accessible into your smartphone and your tab to create that design. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And the tool that I will use here is the Canva AI, and after that you can simply put the prompt into this section. For example, I want to create the stickers design about the Dia de los Muertos, and also don't forget to activate this design setting first. And after that you can continue to click submit, and after that it will direct you into this conversation. And please be ready because this Canva will also create you that design. And basically, I have ever tried before, and after waiting for maybe 2 minutes, so this Canva has create me the design sticker. For example, this one and also this one. And you can also continue to do the editing by clicking this use Canva editor. And this is the another different look of the Dia de los Muertos stickers. And basically you can also do the editing with it, or you can also do the adjustment, because after this picture has been generated, this Canva will also provide you or offer you this option. For example, more Dia de los Muertos sticker design, or add the marigold flower illustration, or you can choose this with the vibrant festival color. And for example, I will choose this one, and kindly wait for the another sticker that will be generated by this Canva. And let's say if you would like to do this editing, then you can go to this section and you can start to do the editing like the color or remove the background. And basically if you would like to create the stickers, maybe that the printed area will be, or the cutout area will be in the white border over here. And this is the another result after I choose the more sticker of the Dia de los Muertos. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Canva to create your own and your favorite sticker. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.